Hello guys, welcome back to Robu.in. Hope you all doing well and staying safe. Today we bring to the world Know It and Win It, an online series where you can win Robo points worth rupees 2000 by answering 3 simple questions in the comment section. This is our first Know It and Win It, so we thought we should make it a little special. So tighten your seats and enjoy the show.
It is a normal Thursday. Prathamesh stands up from his chair to do what he could remember his job is. He looks at his teammate who smiles at him. Prathamesh's everyday tasks include going to the basement, switching on the fan, and then using free office internet. Honestly, he does nothing else. Quite a productive life, right? He realizes maybe this task will give his inconsequential life some meaning. I don't. Basements always scared him for some reason. But a job is a job. Will Prathamesh be able to crack it? Will he be able to switch the fan on? Too many questions, no answers. He tries to enter the basement, going through the hallway. But it's dark, and then he heard something. What could it be, indeed? If he needs to enter the room, he needs some apparatus. He sees some things on the table, a few components to be exact. Which one of these could help him light the room? Prathamesh ignored the components, meanwhile moving into the dark hallway, coming out of the other side. After waiting for some time, he felt something. He saw a moving shadow, and then one again. He ran and ran and ran until he reached the fan room. After pondering for a little while, Prathamesh realized, what if he didn't have to come to the basement to switch on the fan at the first place? What if he could just press a button on his smartphone to switch it on remotely? On the nearby table, Prathamesh saw a few components. Which of these could help him switch on or off these fans? Till now, Prathamesh has gone to the basement and switched on the fan. He was scared of the shadows indeed, but has not given up on his last day task, which is to use free office internet. He sat on his chair just to see that his Wi-Fi range is 0. Prathamesh went into sadness, then to being depressed, and then into madness. In all his life's problems, not having internet is the biggest. And then he came back to his senses. Maybe somehow he could build something which could increase the range of the nearby Wi-Fi router. Maybe something like a Wi-Fi repeater. What indeed could help him? But Prathamesh was too lazy to build this invention, so he just spent his whole lazy day browsing Robu.in. The end. Wait, why are you here? The show is over. Bye. Answer the questions and just go. It's true, I'm being honest. There's nothing more. You can leave. You're not going anywhere, aren't you? Wait, I was lying. There is something. Yes, Robu.in sale on 26th and 27th of March, where you will get up to 70% off on all products. Now that's something, right? Bye. No, really bye this time.